Alright, so if you got some super stiff, oh, I'm bleeding, cool. Anyways, trying to solder like super stiff just doesn't want to go wire. You try and twist it together and it's not happening. So straighten your wire out, shove it just intertwined as best you can. And okay, so you got all these stragglers now. Stay. Take you a smaller piece of wire, strip it back as long as you need to. Cut a single piece of it off. And wrap it around it, and it'll hold it tight. And obviously the tighter you wrap this, the better. Once you get it wrapped around there, you can go to the ends and pull it pretty good. Wherever my end is over here. Oh well, tied back there. But yeah, there's that. It's nice and tight and secured. It's not going to flop out all over you. You solder it, put your heat shrink over it, and you're good to go. This is nothing new. This is stuff people have been doing for a while. Just I haven't seen videos of anybody doing it, so figured I'd share the wealth. Y'all have a blessed day.